Manufactured home builders know that life's all about choices, and the more choices a customer has, the better. That's why we offer such a wide range of customizable options for our new factory-built homes. If you're looking for an open floor plan with plenty of room for entertaining, we can make that happen. In search of vaulted ceilings, a soaking tub, or have your heart set on recessed lighting, we can do that too. We pride ourselves on having the right-sized home to meet your exact needs at a price point that's accessible. Whether you're looking to downsize as an empty nester or are hoping to expand your family in the coming years. This all comes without the hassle and extensive cost of typical site-built renovations because we've taken everyone's needs into account from the beginning of the construction process. When it comes to making a house into a home, personalization is the key to happiness. Prefab houses make customization a priority so buyers get exactly what they're looking for, ensuring their new home is comfortable and convenient to fit their lifestyle.